So this part you can see is very repetitive. You just have to learn one part in the left hand and one part in the right hand. Both are pretty simple. It's when you put them together that it becomes a little bit tricky. Let's do the left hand first. The notes that you're going to play are G with finger 1 or the thumb, F sharp with finger 2, G again with finger 1, and E with finger 3. Very simple. G, F sharp, G, E. 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, now the rhythm you're going to play is as follows. The right hand is going to play the same exact part from the very beginning of the song, except up much higher. So just to review, it's D, E, B, B, A, G, F sharp, E. Finger 1, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2. 1, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2. Before playing the right hand with the left hand, I'm just going to point out exactly when the right hand hits notes while the left hand is playing. It's always on the 1 and the 4. Hit, 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 hit. So just practice saying the word hit while hitting the first G and the fourth note, which is an E. Hit, 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 hit. And now let's just play a single note on the right hand just to make sure we know when we're going to be hitting notes. Let's just use the D, for example. Hit, 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 hit. Now very slowly we'll try to play the correct notes. Let's start by playing a D with the thumb on our right hand by itself, and then come in with the left hand on the E. Just in case you're having trouble with that, let's go through a little more slowly. It's D, E with the G, and then it's F sharp, G, and then a B with the E, and then another B with the G. And then to A, and then to G. F sharp, E, D, E, B, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And try to make sure you're using the right fingers as you're doing this. Practice very slowly over and over again until you can do it at a fixed tempo and get all the way through to the end. Now, just to practice the right hand coming in after the left hand is started, just remember that this D, the first D, comes in with the E, which is the last note played in the left hand. D, E. Okay, so I'm going to play the left hand a couple of times and then come in with the right. Just two other little things to add to this and we're done, and that's what happens at the very end and also what happens in the very beginning. At the very end, The left hand is going to play two E's simultaneously with finger 5 and 1. So two E's an octave apart. And it's going to try to come in right on time, right on beat 1 of the next measure. So G, F sharp, G, E, and then to the low E's. Now you want to try to make those two notes on beat 1 of the next measure, but if you're a little late, it's okay. It's better to hit the two correct notes than to try and rush and get there in time. It is a little tricky to get all the way down the keyboard that quickly. One other thing, this comes right out of the last part. Remember, it was the declining E's. And that last pair of E's gets a pedal with it. And you're going to hold down that pedal through this whole passage so that those two low E notes ring out the whole time. Okay, so let's go ahead and just play this whole part one time.